Breaking news at Camp Nou. The first transfer window of 2026 is about to open, and Barcelona is already preparing a major overhaul of its squad. The club needs to balance its books and offload players who, for various reasons, no longer fit into the project. Today, I'll tell you about 4 players whose days at the club are numbered, a decision that is completely dividing the Barca fanbase. But before we get into the details of these departures, take this opportunity to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and turn on notifications. Our goal is to reach 3,000 subscribers this month, and your support is essential for us to continue bringing you the best Barca news in Spanish. The first player with one foot out the door is Hector Fort. Currently on loan at Elche, the young fullback is not part of the board's future plans. Although he has found consistent playing time elsewhere, the level of expectation at Barca is different. The club is looking to finalize his permanent sale to generate immediate cash and comply with financial fair play regulations. The second name is Hansi. His situation at Monaco has reached a standstill, and the French club will not buy him. Upon returning to Barca, Hansi will face fierce competition and no place in Hansi Flick's plans. Therefore, the board is looking to complete a transfer or another loan this January. The club needs to free up his salary, and the player needs to be a key player elsewhere. The biggest surprise is Marc-André ter Stegen. The veteran goalkeeper is now the third-choice keeper after his injury. With Joan Garcia established as the first choice and Hansi as the backup, ter Stegen's salary is prohibitive. A move to Girona seems like the ideal solution for him to regain his starting position while Barca obtains vital financial relief. Finally, the most controversial case, Ronald Araujo. The Uruguayan is experiencing his lowest point after critical errors in the Champions League. His technical limitations in ball distribution clash with the current system. Selling him now, while he still has a high market value, is seen as a masterstroke to finance the rebuild before his value depreciates further. Given this situation, I want to know your opinion. Are you for or against these departures? Which player would you keep at all costs? Leave your comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.